Hi, this is Dr. Ramu, working as a Dean, Career Development Center, NRCM Engineering College, Hyderabad. So, as a part of the coding culture, we did the first step. All the students are registered in the HackerRank. Now, our task is you have to solve the problems in the HackerRank. Might be some students may struggle to solve the problems. To overcome that issue, I am creating the video tutorial for the each and every problem. My request is before going to watch this video, first try from your end, right? If you are unable to solve the problem and you didn't get any guidance, then only you watch the video to solve the particular problem, right? And before going to the problem explanation, I want to explain our leaderboard. So this is the leaderboard created for the HackerRank from our college. So initially we equipped the data with the first year and second year students. Later we include the third year students data as well in this tutorial. In the leaderboard, right? And here you can search your scores based on roll number, right? And branch wise toppers. For example, see if you want to see the who is the toppers in the ECE, right? You just apply the ECE, then you will get the all ECE toppers. It's the first student, and you can check the right year wise toppers, and you can check the branch wise toppers and mentor wise, and also you can see here the performance is based on here the scale is there, right? I want to see the who is the toppers who received the more than 120, right? So only one student received the 120 score. Like that we can use this leaderboard to check your performance and compare your reference, and same you have to take the right challenge to solve the problems. And my sincere request is don't search for the shortcuts, right? Even you get the 620 points by using the shortcuts, you didn't get anything. That is the keep in your mind. And the today's video tutorial I am going to explain the second problem, because the first problem already we solved in the initial video, registration video. Now here I am going to solve the playing with characters. This is the problem, right? Discuss today. The main objective of this problem is how to read and print the character, string and sentence. That is your aim of this problem, right? And coming to here, they given some important points how to read this character and how to read the string, how to read the sentence. As you know that scanf is not going to read the entire sentence at a time. It is going to read only one word at a time. But here our task is to read the entire sentence, right? For that they given some tutorial also, right? In order to take in order to take the line of input, you can use the scanf of, right? So the meaning of the statement is this is going to read the line of data until you get a slash n. Slash n means new line. Until you will get the slash n, this scanf is going to read the data. Normal scanf is going to read the data until space will come, right? Until space will come. When the space comes, this is going to turn off reading. But coming to this scanf is going to read the entire sentence until you get the slash n. That is the difference of these two. And before going to that, you just see the note also there. The note is the statement scanf is there, right? This scanf is going to work, right? Because the last statement will read the new line character from the previous line, right? So you just remember here you will get an error. I will show you that error, right? After that I'll explain this note point, right? Coming to the task, you have to print the character ch in the first line, print the s in the next line, and last line you have to print the sentence, right? Input format. So the ch, these are the common things, right? Input format and output format, and the string. So please remember the size of the string. The constraints are very important, right? How many characters it is going to read, that is very important. Further, they given here the sentence or string is going to read maximum of 100 characters, right? So that's why here I am going to take the first data type char of ch, right? Char of ch, and string, yes, what is the length? 100 characters, right? Next sentence, how many characters? 100. Done, right? Done. Next my task is to read the data from the input, right? For reading the data, right, I need the scanf. So here it is very easy to read a character from the input by using %C. Now I have a character. I have a character, SCANF, right? Yeah, scanf. I have read the character, done my work. Next, my task is I have to read the string from the input. Please remember the point, the data format which they have given, you should read the same format, right? They given what is the format? Character, string, string and sentence, right? You should read same format, right? Don't jumble the statements. That is very important. Input format you should follow, otherwise you will get the wrong answer. For that reading the string, you should use the %s, right? %s and ampersand is not required for the strings, but even if you use the ampersand, there is no issue. Then got it. Next, if you use the same statement for the scanf of %s, comma, right, send, we just see what is the output of these statements, right? You just printf %c, right, /n, %s, /n, right, %s, and here first one is the ch, yes, and send. This is the order, right? We need to print. This is the order. Observe carefully here. First character it is going to print, after the sentence it is going to print, after that, string it is going to print, after that sentence is going to print. You just run it and see the output. So the given input is C, language, welcome to C, right? This is the input. But what is the output? C, language, welcome to C is not there, because this scanf is going to read only one word, not sentence. If you want to read the sentence, you should use this statement. This statement you should use. So instead of this statement, you should use this statement. Now see the output. And what you are getting here? Abnormal output, right? The reason behind that is, so here after this, see, first it is going to read the C, right? After this /n is there, and after that it is going to read the string. After this language, here the /n is there. It is not visible. New line means by default it is a /n. When it is a /n, this statement is going to read the /n and stop the process. That is the reason, before going to use this statement, we have to clear the /n, right? For the clearing, so many ways are there, but here they given the statement is /n. Just write it here, run code. Here send, right? Yes, got it. See, even see, we are getting the abnormal output, right? We are getting the abnormal output. To overcome that, we should use the /n. Now run it. Got it? Just submit your code, right? Now our challenge is solved and you got the points as well, right? Thank you very much.